Andrew's doers are not go. I have some bad news. I'm not going to count today because of my 3 S's. 1 sneeze, 2 sore throat, 3 sick, and the 4th sniffles. Don't worry, I'll feel better and go to camp tomorrow. And if you wondered if you don't want to spread germs, no, sir. You'll have to just rest is best. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Andrew does everything. And buy our merchandise. Take care. Bye.